All right, now you have some new skills to add to your skill set that will not only make your workouts more effective, but make them more fun as well. But you might be asking yourself, how do I learn all these new skills? Let me give you my 3 tips for learning new skills that I not only used back when I first started, but I continue to use today. Number 1, watch a video or tutorial of the desired skill. I'm a visual learner and I like to watch how a skill is being performed by someone who is good at it so I can take a close look at their form and technique and try to replicate it. I know this will work well for you too. Number 2, start slow. So many people start way too quick, which just leads to more trip-ups and frustration. Once you have the technique down, then gradually add more speed. Number 3, practice transitioning into the skill and out of the skill. So for instance, if you're learning the Criss Cross, practice going from basic jump into the Criss Cross and back to basic jump. This will help your transition get smoother, so when you want to start doing more freestyle work, it's going to look a lot better. Bonus tip number 4, only learn 1 or 2 skills at a time. Any more than that, you're going to end up frustrated, you're going to overthink it, so just stick to 1 or 2. Are you ready for a challenge? Download your free copy of my 7-day challenge, which is linked below. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button so I know to make more videos like this. And comment below with your favorite jump rope skill or the skill you want to learn the most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.